ambulance way up there. We're going to be going down that street towards the ambulance, and we'll just kind of capture what's around here as well. We're kind of at this five-way intersection right here in this busy area of Taipa at nighttime. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So that's the street. Actually, that one was kind of cut up. Looks like it's going to go down this way. I was thinking if you're not, he was stuck in traffic for a while. There was a bus that was coming here, and so I was going to try to capture him. So now I guess he's going to come over that way. Since I still don't quite have a street yet, so maybe we can try to follow that. See where he goes. So I think it was caught over here. Now I can't even see him, so the ambulance might be removed. But I think our goal anyways was this street right here, which is Estrada de Pollo de Lamarao. This is our focus street. I'm kind of curious where that... Oh, there it is. I can see the ambulance. So let's do this street instead. This one is Estrada de Alfonso. So we're just kind of walk up. There's our street right there. That ambulance is too far away now, but it was caught in traffic for a while, and I was just thinking that how tough that would be if you were in an emergency situation and you really needed to go somewhere. Well, anyways, looks like that's going to be out of view. It's way up there now, but it was kind of caught. So we'll just kind of explore our street, and this is the street that we've now chosen. I thought it was going to be in that parallel one, but this is equally interesting. Kind of a cool little intersection right there. All of them are. So this is the street that we were just on, that one. This is the one that we almost walked on. And I guess what we'll do, oops, sorry. What we'll do is we'll walk down this way. So now we have this kind of interesting intersection, right? Okay. So let's walk down this way. We have a little park right here. We're gonna walk down that. Bathroom attendant. I think they're playing mahjong down here. Yeah, they're playing mahjong. Kind of cool. Gonna keep on going down. It'd be funny if we still saw that ambulance from the distance. I like that balcony right there. It's amazing. A little bit dark to be filming, but you can definitely see all the activity at nighttime as well. We're going to keep on walking down our streets here. Busy streets. I think we're still on our street that we were on before. Got some boutiques up here. So okay, kind of got another taste of Macau. A random street in this dense part of Macau. I was hoping to walk right towards that ambulance. In fact, it was stuck in traffic there for a while. Okay. Got some boutique shops and things like that down that way. Pedro Coutinho. This is kind of interesting because they had a bunch of COVID cases down that way, down by the McDonald's. So everybody here was, we have these little codes on our phones that I think is, usually it's green, and green means you can go in anywhere you want, but if it's yellow it means that you have to stay home and quarantine, and then you're not allowed to go into anywhere, and you have to show your ID to get into everywhere. So that was on that street down that way, just a little ways. We're still in the COVID era. And it's gonna keep getting darker and darker, so I think I'm gonna end this one momentarily. But at least you got another view of another Macau street, documenting it in real time. Loureiro, that's what this is. I think I'll just get up to here, then I'll stop. Look at that balcony. Balcony's like pretty cool. So I think we're gonna stop it right at this spot, and then kind of want to check out that colonial house. That guy's been kind of watching me, kind of older guy. Curiosity. So that's this nice colonial house. We're gonna walk over that way. A lot of people watch when you got the camera out anyways, but I think Macau is usually they don't really care too much. So that was our focus, directly down that way. That's our street right there. Okay.